Stewardship is if you think about it, a very, very important term because it defines the way how we act responsibly actually in our environment. It sounds easy maybe to say, look, we are here to make the planet a safer, cleaner, and therefore more productive planet. But if you think about it step by step, what that really means, we have to make sure that our products are not only produced safely, but also applied and recommended to be applied safely in a way that we are acting responsibly in our environment. We are in times where things are changing very rapidly, especially around the pandemic world and being responsive quickly. These days, it has even more importance in my thinking because the safety of the people and also the message they convey with their safe behavior to our customers is a very important part of our stewardship for taking care of our employees. There is no time to waste, really, to be responsible around good stewardship. Speed up, the acronym fits here, to be a good steward for our ZEP goals.